today's video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom to Photon 2025. To deposit Solana into your Phantom wallet, you need to have your Phantom wallet connected and some Solana in it. First, we will head over to the Wallet Management section, and once you click on it, you will see the interface and the available Solana in your wallet. Zrinia, and there are 4 options provided. We'll click on the Deposit option. To deposit Solana into the wallet, you need to have your Phantom wallet connected, as well as Solana in it. Once you click on the Deposit section, you will see this interface. There are 3 options: Split, Specific Amount, and Deposit with MoonPay. We'll choose the Specific Amount option. I'll type in the amount I want to send. Then I'll click on Deposit, and you will see my Phantom wallet pop up again. Now, I will log into my Phantom wallet and confirm the transaction request. After confirming, we're good to go. To update our balance, we can reload the page and you will see the updated transaction history, as well as the current balance. And that was it. Subscribe, it's free.